Blessed Liduina Meneguzzi. Feast Day, December 2nd. The Ecumenical Flame, the inspiring journey of Blessed Liduina Meneguzzi. In the heart of Padua, Italy, on a serene September day in 1901, a soul destined for greatness was born. Elisa Angela Meneguzzi, a child of humble farming folk, revealed an innate connection to the spiritual from a very young age. Her days were marked by fervent prayers, daily mass attendance, and a passion for teaching catechism to others. As she grew, the yearning to dedicate her life to God blossomed within her. In 1926, she took a pivotal step in this direction by joining the Sisters' Congregation of St. Francis Delaware Sales, adopting the name Liduina. Her journey as Sister Liduina took root in a girls' boarding school where she served as a nurse, tending to the needs of young souls with care and compassion. However, Liduina's destiny had grander plans. In 1937, she received a sacred calling to become a missionary, and her path led her to the far reaches of Ethiopia. There, amidst the starkly contrasting landscapes and cultures, she embraced her role with wholehearted dedication. The world was plunged into the chaos of the Second World War in 1939, but Liduina's unwavering faith remained a guiding light. She tirelessly ministered to the wounded and sick at a military hospital in Dire-Dawa, providing solace and care amid the turmoil of conflict. Her actions spoke volumes, transcending language barriers and cultural differences. Dire-Dawa's inhabitants were predominantly Muslim, and through Liduina's virtuous life, they witnessed the transformative power of her faith. Her unyielding commitment to her beliefs earned her the revered title, the Ecumenical Flame. She became a bridge between faiths, fostering understanding, respect, and unity among diverse communities. As years passed, Liduina's health began to wane, a consequence of her tireless service. In the hospital of Dire-Dawa, she was diagnosed with cancer, and she continued to carry out her mission of love and healing until her last breath. On December 2, 1941, surrounded by the people she had touched with her compassion, Sister Liduina Meneguzzi peacefully departed from this world, leaving behind a legacy that would endure through the ages. In 1961, her earthly remains were returned to the mother house of her congregation, a testament to her enduring impact. And on October 20, 2002, in a poignant moment of recognition, Pope John Paul II declared her Blessed Liduina Meneguzzi, bestowing upon her the honor she so rightfully deserved. Blessed Liduina's life was a testament to the boundless power of faith, compassion, and selflessness. Her journey from a humble farming family in Padua to the heart of Ethiopia, her unwavering commitment to healing and unity, and her enduring legacy as the ecumenical flame continue to inspire people from all walks of life. Her life story reminds us that the light of faith can shine even in the darkest of times, and that a single individual can make a profound difference in the world through love, compassion, and unwavering dedication to their beliefs. I recommend subscribing to this inspiring channel to receive daily wisdom and inspiration from the saints, including Blessed Liduina Meneguzzi. Join the community, send your blessings in the comments, and share the video on your social networks. Let's spread the light of faith and compassion together.